Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to debug Google Chrome network issues, step by step. If web pages aren't loading properly, connections are slow, or resources fail to load, these steps will help you identify and fix the problem. First, open Google Chrome and press Ctrl plus Shift plus I on Windows or Command plus Option plus I on Mac to open Developer Tools. You can also right-click on a page and select Inspect. Next, go to the Network tab. This is where Chrome logs all network requests, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, images, and API calls. Refresh the page to capture all requests. Now, check the status codes. Requests with red errors like 404 or 500 indicate problems with the server or resource paths. If you see 304, it means the file was loaded from cache, which is usually fine. Use the throttling feature to simulate slow connections. Click the drop-down labeled Online and choose slower speeds like 3G. This helps test how pages behave on slower networks. Filter the requests if needed. You can filter by XHR, JS, CSS, or images. To narrow down which files are causing delays or errors, right-click a failed request and select Copy-to-Copy Response to inspect the content if necessary. If caching might be causing issues, enable Disable Cache in the Network tab while DevTools is open, then refresh the page. This forces Chrome to fetch fresh resources. Finally, check console errors in the Console tab. Sometimes network failures trigger JavaScript errors that help pinpoint the problem. And that's it. By using developer tools, checking status codes, filtering requests, simulating slower networks, and inspecting console errors, you can debug Chrome network issues effectively. If this guide helped, like the video, share it with friends, and subscribe for more step-by-step Chrome troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next